Dylari Boutique was founded in early 2018 by the lovely Chilean-born Carol Verkamp, who currently lives in Colorado with her husband and 2 children. Dylari is a combination of her children's names, Dylan and Ariana. The passion behind her model is the desire to do something different yet fulfilling while giving flexibility to be with her family. The designs are a synergy of Latin traditions supporting artisan products from Guatemala and Chile, while also incorporating modern chic aesthetics that personify the grace and style of the owner, whom I had the absolute pleasure of meeting back in August. She gave me her large weekender bag to use and keep, and she also let me borrow the Aria, which is a mini version of the weekender that you see here. Aria deserves her own mini video, so keep an eye out for that review soon. Carol joined Herder Market last year. She stayed on the group, learned some new things about leather to help her gain a better understanding about quality and what her customers want. She now uses mostly full-grain leather and continues to work on design alterations that will set her brand apart. Now that you know a little bit more about the company and what they stand for, let's go ahead and take a look at the large weekender bag from Dylari Boutique. Now to start, I wanted to point out some details of the bags that I know would be important to our audience. First off, this is a full grain leather. It's a very heavy leather when you grab it, but it's actually super light when you're wearing it, which I love. Now these are not YKK zippers. I've never had any issues with mine. However, I contacted the owner, Carol. She said their manufacturer is great. If you ever have any issues, just give her a call and she'll take care of it. The hardware on the bag is also not full metal, but the plus about this is it makes the bag much lighter than if you were to use the full metal hardware. Here are the outside features. You can see it's got a snap closure, but this is a really big, wide pocket. And in there I have a passport wallet and my wallet. I like to use this as a day bag. It's also great for traveling. Take a look at the back. See, you've got a nice ample pocket on the back. And again, you can see how big this pocket is on the side. It fits my 26-ounce Yeti Rambler, which is almost 4 inches in depth, so. Same zippers on the outside, same hardware on the outside. These straps are very light. I actually don't believe that these are full grain. I think these are top grain. But again, one of the benefits of this is you don't have, you know, 1.5 pounds just on the strap alone. Because it is a weekender bag, I decided to fill it up with travel gear. But I wanted you to take a peek inside at this beautiful linen. These bags are made all by female artisans, and they're hand-woven hupai from Guatemala. So the linen itself is handmade as well. Each bag you're going to have a different inside. And then the cool feature here is it's on the inner pockets as well. It seems to be a very sturdy linen. I haven't had any rips or tears or pulls. Okay, so back to what we can fit on the inside. I just want to note there was plenty of room to spare even with everything that I put in here. So travel, you gotta have it yourself a little sweater. I've got sunglasses case. There are little sleeve pockets on the inside. I love that linen. And so I fit my writer's pouch and my sunglasses case so I don't have to dig at the very bottom for it, which is nice. Check out one more feature here as I'm emptying the bag. A really nice big pocket with a full grain lining on it, and it just looks beautiful with that linen. Always got to have a snack when you travel. My iPad Pro 11-inch. Headphones. Rough and tumble clutch. One's about 10 inches by 7 inches, I think. The only non-leather toiletry bag I own. One more shot of the inside now that we've opened it up completely. It's just gorgeous. Wow. Again, I could have fit way more stuff in here, but these are my travel essentials, and the backpack straps are removable. The shoulder strap is included. I preferred the backpack straps, especially when it was super filled. The strap drop on these top handles are definitely for a wrist and not a shoulder, unless you were a really, really tiny lady, and you might be able to get away with it. For the price point and the size and the quality of leather, I would absolutely get this bag. I'm gonna leave some dimensions for the Weekender bag here on the video. If you're wondering what this beautiful little thing next to the Weekender is this is the mini convertible day bag. Now I'm gonna do a separate review on this, but pretty much obviously it's the same as the Weekender. It's just a tiny little version. You can kind of see. It's one of my favorite styles of leather is a two-tone bag. So yeah, full review coming on this guy. I've been using this Weekender for a couple of months now. Took it on a couple trips with me. My favorite part of this review is for the first time ever, I was actually able to meet the designer of the bag who gave me this in return for a review. So Carol, thank you for the opportunity to review the bag. I can't wait to see your company grow, and I can't wait to purchase more products from you. Carol was also nice enough to provide us with a giveaway, and it is a secret giveaway. It is not either of these bags, but it is something really cool. Take a look in our description for the coupon code. So we're doing that giveaway and an extra discount just for our Herder Lodge members. So if you want the extra special discount, as well as a bunch of giveaways that we're doing over the next couple months, take a look in our description for the Patreon link, and I'll get you all set up. Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys next month for another Herder Market review.